Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at two challenges from the steganography category of the Hero CTF challenge. So let's look at the first one. It is for 15 points. So a certain abbot tried to give us a message. This message is in lowercase. No need to speak French. So the format is Hero, message in lowercase, and we have been provided with a downloadable file. So I have already got it downloaded. So cat holy abbot is the name of the text file. So as you can see, it does not make sense. So the first thing that you would be probably doing is going to Google Translate for those of you who do not understand French. So let's select it as detect language, and as you can see, it says in his reign in bliss, forever in his reign, in his kingdom, and in his kingdom in bliss, in his so this actually doesn't make sense. So what I thought was, maybe we'll have to select the first letters from each one of them and convert it to lowercase letters, and this will be the flag. But actually this is not the flag, and it eventually did not make sense. So what I did was, the next thing that I did was copied the first line, because in most of the CTF challenges they are generally coding challenges. So I copied it to Google, and as you can see, most of them shows that code secret. The name is Ave Maria. So it appears that it is a Ave Maria encryption or encoding scheme. So let's go to decode.fr's website. Let's copy the entire text. Click on the decrypt button, and as you can see, it says substitution. So substitution was the name of the flag. So the next challenge that we'll be looking at is called nice PDF for 20 points. So it says that don't think too much. The format is again the same, and this time we are provided with the PDF file. So if we go to events, nice PDF, you can see that this is a small PDF file, nothing much, no sign of flag or such like that. So I thought, let's run strings, maybe someone has embedded something. So but I scrolled through everything, I couldn't find anything. I even ran binwalk, but as you can see, there is no sign of anything that appears to be peculiar over here. So the next thing that any sensible person would do, or actually it took me a while to understand it, events, I copied the entire text, went to translate.google.com and selected detected language and pasted everything. If you look here, you can see that there is an extra line which begins with the curly braces and starts with hero dot e and goes all the way here. So but if you look at the PDF, there is no sign, no such thing. But if you click on Control A, you can see that these are the hidden curly braces. So it was hidden in plain sight. These are the curly braces that they had been hiding in white plain text. So maybe this is a flag, but how? So for example, if I remove this part and if I remove the rest of the part, maybe we get something. Let's just hope that we get something. But as you can see, we get nothing. But there is something to be pointed out, that some of the letters here are in capitals. So for example, H E R O is supposed to be our flag, is supposed to be our format, and if you can see, E is in capitals, 4 is there, S is there, Y is there, there is an underscore, there is P, there's D, and there is F in capitals, so which makes it our flag. So Hero Easy PDF is the flag for the challenge, guys. So thank you guys, this is it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please press on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.